Sir, I'm going through the
Going
I'm
through
going
the
through the I'm going through the plans of LIC like
uh,
like that have given in the site Jeevan Azad, Dhan
uh,
Sanchay.
very good. You are going through the website. What did I
Yes,
tell
sir.
you last class? I wanted
Sir,
you
I
to.
was not present at that
Actually, you
time.
were not present. Hariharan, were you present 2 days back? No.
Yes, sir.
No.
I present, sir.
What did I tell at the end? To prepare what?
Deeply read about LIC website, sir.
Website. சொன்னேனா?
Yes.
Okay, we will come to that later. But now, since this has come, we will go through this. Then we will take up, if time permits, we will take up that one. Very good. So now, shall we start? I think it is already time. And I think I'm recording it. Yeah. Welcome all of you. Today, Hariharan. Hariharan, where are
Yes, sir.
you? Where are you sitting? You are sitting in your house, or where are you?
In bus, sir. I'm going to home. That's right.
That's why a lot of disturbance is coming. Acha, acha. Why
Yes, sir.
you left your office only at 9 o'clock or after that? Correct.
5:30, 5:30, 6 o'clock, sir. I have one English class, sir, for interview purpose. I finish that class. I will go to home, sir. I go to home.
Acha, at what time your English class?
6 to 7:30, sir.
Oh, 6 to 7:30. Acha, acha.
Yes, sir. In near
and
to my branch.
branch only. Okay, very
Yeah,
good.
near. Okay, sir.
Nearby my branch.
Yes, sir.
Nearby my branch. Very good.
Okay, sir. Nearby
Excellent.
branch.
Excellent. Now, Hariharan, you please
Yes,
take
sir.
up this one. This news has come in today's Hindu newspaper. So I think
Okay,
this may be of use for us in an interview. So I request you to read this. Please read.
Okay, sir. All-in-one policy plan to spread insurance in India. IRDA is devising an affordable product covering health, life, property, accident, risk to give a citizens protection, expedite claim settlements by linking death register onto one industry platform.
Yeah, continue. If
India's insurance regulator plans.
No, I think you are not able to read well. Let me read it. If India's insurance regulators plans
Okay, sir.
fructify,
If
households
India's
no, you are not able to, you are not reading, you are reading English itself, you are not able to do properly. And this video will be there permanently, and if somebody hears this later on, that will not be good. So let me finish it off myself. All in one policy plan to spread insurance in India, IRDA is devising an affordable product covering health, life, property, accident risks to give citizens protection, expedite claim settlements by linking death registries onto one industry platform. If India's insurance regulators plans fructify, households across the country could soon be able to get an affordable single policy that covers health, life, property, and accident, get their claims settled within hours, and even secure value added services at the time of buying a policy. In an ambitious bid to expand the poor insurance penetration in the country, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority is devising new affordable bundled product to give citizens protection against multiple risks and seeking to expedite claim settlements by linking death registries onto a common industry platform. These initiatives are part of a broader overhaul including legislative amendments to attract more investments through differentiated licenses for niche players similar to the banking sector, with an eye on making insurance available, affordable, and accessible to all the citizens, with a Gram Panchayat to district to state level approach. UPI like moment. The regulator believes these changes could double the number of jobs in the sector to 1.2 crore. IRDA chief Deboshish Panda said on Thursday that they are striving to create an UPI like movement and in insurance through a plan worked out with general and life insurance firms that he termed Bima Trinity, that he termed as Bima Trinity. Here, what are the cover drive for the uninsured? The Insurance Regulatory Development Authority is driving multi-pronged changes to expand citizens' safety nets. A new bundled insurance product, Bima Vistar, to provide life, health, accident, and property cover through a single simple policy. A Bima Sugam platform as a one-stop shop for customers integrating insurers and distributors, linking digital health registries to platform so claims can be settled within hours a day, permitting insurers to sell value-added services with policies, for example, a yoga class bundled with a health scheme. Women to lead campaign to spur insurance penetration in each Gram Sabha, roping in states to form insurance committees and expand coverage across districts. MOVE will also allow smaller, micro, and regional insurers to reach different strata of society. This is what is given here. Of course, it is going to page number 12. Page number 12. Let us see what is coming in. Therein we will finish it off, then take up for discussion. If it is there, it is good, you know. If it is there, page number 12. Page number 8. Page number 9. Page number 12. All in one policy. Yeah. Here they are telling a new Bima Sugam platform will integrate insurers, distributors onto one platform to make it same point they have told already. Regulator is simultaneously developing a possible linchpin product, Bima Vistar, that will be a bundled risk cover for life, health, property, and casualties or accidents with defined benefits for each risk. We are trying to design it in a manner so that there are parametric triggers which do not need a surveyor to assess the loss. If there is a loss, the defined benefit immediately goes to the bank account of the policy holder. We are trying to price it in a manner that is affordable, Mr. Panda explained. Then banks can possibly be given an auto debit authority for the premium payments, the IRDA chief added. The third part of Trinity envisaged by the IRDA entails a women-centric, anybody is waiting for coming in? Yeah, everybody has come. Kajal Singh has come, Hariharan, Mantu, and Sana has come. Sana is an active player. Banks can possibly be given auto debit, okay. Then with many states digitizing their birth and death registries, Mr. Panda said IRDA platform, if integrated with those registries, could help settle the claims as fast as 6 to 8 hours a day at the most. Game changer. All a policy holder needs to do is to go to the platform, use his consent to pull their policy from insurer's repository and the death certificate. The engine at the back end will process the claim from the insurance company and put the money in the bank account within 6 to 8 hours or maximum the next day. The claim settlement can be in your account. We believe that this is going to be a game changer, he said. To meet the target of providing insurance cover for all by 2047, IRDA is also looking to form state-level insurance committees similar to the ones prevalent in the banking sectors and rope in state governments to formulate district-level plans, he said at the Confederation of Indian Industries annual meeting. Separately, here it is. Separately, IRDA has proposed amendments to the insurance laws that the government may take up soon, which will allow differentiated capital requirements for niche insurers so as to attract more investments and permit players to add value-added services. Currently, the statute does not permit this. For example, if you are selling a health cover and you give a yoga membership along with it, then I would believe a millennial girl or a boy would be keener to go in for such a product rather than a plain vanilla product. Or you can offer a nursing services to the parents of that person who could be living 1,000 kilometers away, Mr. Panda explained. The amendments will also enable entry of new players in the form of micro, regional, small captive players, specialized players, and even composite licenses. To buttress the idea, he cited the developments on the banking front, where the central bank oversees several types of banks addressing the needs of different geographies and segments of the population, such as payments bank, small finance bank, cooperative banks, etc. So on seeing this, I am of the opinion, I think they will come out with an organization similar to NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, that has only formed a UPI and other product. But of course, for your interview purposes, just this idea, the name Bima, Vistar, Bima, this or that alone is sufficient. You remember them. But of course, all this for it to come, I think will take minimum 5 to 6 years. It is not going to be possible soon because the death registries and all may be not fully digitized in all states, or it is not easily accessible. So that is what it is. Anyhow, it is a good move. It's a good move to be appreciated. Yeah. Now, I conducted one mock interview for a candidate today, and I was myself feeling that there is a lot of things to be learned, lot of things to be studied, and I don't know how are you going to manage that. In that, of course, in a real interview, they may not ask very deep questions relating to insurance or individual policies. However, general questions, like most common interview questions, like about your leadership style, about your strengths, etc., those areas must be prepared by us first. After that, I think that IC 38 or whatever is available in the materials given, those pages must be read. We must read them. We must read them, not, you know how, at least the summing up, the summary, whatever is given, that if we are able to read that, that will be good. Why it is not coming, I don't know. Yeah. So if we read that, say for example, here this is the chapter, and at the end they give you a small write-up. At least that you people must be in a position to have read that and be able to tell about that, what is there in that one. So I think our Ansaris can speak on this. Ansari, Sana Ansari.
Yes, sir.
So are you going through the, say, are you going through that summary is given? For example, it is not coming properly in my laptop. Now I am searching again. If I get it, nice. Yeah. You know, this, of course, yeah. This and all you can study. History of insurance. This is very briefly given. Insurance terminologies you can study and keep it with you. But they may ask questions, they may not ask questions. In fact, in the recent agricultural insurance company, the questions were asked like this: what is insurance? Why insurance? Who is benefited by insurance? Like this. So you please go through that also. Then this Aparchit interview book for banking knowledge, economic survey for the sake of knowing generally what happened in economic survey, the elements of business term. This is, what is this paper? This is about, say, regarding BBA level. Explain the principles of insurance, state any 3 duties of agent, compare railways, roadways, explain the various types of agents, like that. So that is okay. Apart from that, what else should we do? Then this one, IC01 principles PDF. This is containing 195. Sana Ansari, did you go through this? Here, what is of interest for us? Hello?
Yes, sir.
How to read this briefly, because we can't be covering 195 pages in the class because it is not going to be possible. But how to read this? Is there any summary like thing they have given?
यस सर। सर जब मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम पढ़ा था तो मैंने पूरा पढ़ा था, लेकिन जब सेकेंड टाइम रिवाइज किया तो उस टाइम पे बस डेफिनेशन और समरी पढ़ी थी, क्योंकि एग्जांपल मुझे याद थे।
Very good. Either at the end, like this summary, ये पढ़ने से हो जाएगा. We must read this summary. Every chapter में you are having summary.
Yes, sir.
उसको पढ़ लीजिए, आप लोग उसको पढ़ लीजिए. So when you come for interview, I will ask questions. Today I asked that candidate, of course he could, whether he has come, I don't know. Has he come here? That Maharashtra boy, agriculture engineering, agriculture candidate. Has he come? I don't know. Maybe he has not come. Doesn't matter. Now the point is, see, we must be, the area is vast. And apart from this, they can also ask general static GK questions. That is again another problem. I have not given you one material known as banking, bankers adda 10 pages material that will tell you how you should introduce your strengths, weaknesses, and all that. I will provide that. And you can also go through that. And yeah, that's what it is. Now, Sana Ansari, from next class, I am of the view that you people must come with the questions and answers so that you can ask another person and he must be able to answer. If he is not answering, you must clarify that, because the portion is quite vast.
Okay, sir. I will.
Yeah, it is very, I don't mind going about everything, but where is the time for us to go through all the 200 pages, or summary only we must go through? Okay, So आप लोग summary को can you do a help for me? What is your Sana? एक help कर सकते हैं आप, that is थोड़ा
Yes, sir, बोलिए।
समय लगेगा आपको ये आईसी बुक से खाली वो समरी अलोन ये पेपर में डाल के दे सकते हैं, ओनली summary of all the chapters, only cut copy paste, that's all. Every
Sir,
how many chapters will be there?
sir, I think there are 10 to
9
15.
9 chapter.
9 chapters. So 9 chapters से वो उसको summary को कट करके एक दूसरा कागज में डाल के देने से तो I will be able to concentrate on that only and then ask you questions. So that is
Sir,
the
I have
point.
this in print form, so I can do that easily.
Acha, you have it with you? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Who is telling? Manta Ansari?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir, Mantu.
मंटू कर दीजिए ना, आप करके
Yes, sir,
हमको
I will do.
करके हमको दे दीजिए, because हमने आज I felt very bad when I was conducting interview for that candidate. He was not able to answer, and I have also not told you all these things and all. For example, I asked him what is the capital of our LIC now.
So it's a 44 crore approx.
44 crore.
44
Yes,
lakh
sir.
crore.
कहाँ से पढ़ा
Sorry,
है?
lakh crore.
कहाँ से पढ़ा है?
सर अभी Q4 की रिपोर्ट आई है सर।
ओहो, 44 crore. अच्छा,
44 point something lakh crore है सर।
That's okay. 44 crore बोलने से भी हो जाएगा. Good. With what capital it was started initially?
सर 5 crore.
5 crore.
That is correct. 5 crore. Good. That's right. Good. That's really nice. So this is what it is. This is the plan I have. So I have read out the important news that has come about LIC in the Hindu paper today. You also go through that. And now a few more points we can see about LIC. LIC webs. I don't think, because today I asked one candidate one policy, but then he said, sir, I do Jeevan Azad. So,
Sir.
so what, but I suggest, वो कैसे decide कर सकते हैं? See, the website में जाइएगा,
It is most recently introduced project, sir. Plan.
Oh, whatever it is. But I am asking only based on the advertisements that are there. For example, there can be a question on this. What is the question on this? So likewise, next point is, I asked this only. What is LIC Jeevan Asad? I asked him, tell me what you know about it. He said, I don't know. Here it is given minimum basic sum assured for 2 lakhs, maximum sum assured 5 lakh per life. Policy term is 15 to 20 years. Attractive limited period premium payment. Yeah. So likewise, if only you had told me, sir, minimum 2 lakhs, 5 lakh, maximum 5 lakhs, policy is for 15 to 20. What is available on the screen? वो point बताने से भी हो जाएगा. And nowadays, I think you can buy it online also. Next point, plan your lifetime guaranteed Jeevan Shanti. A non-linked, non-participating individual single premium deferred annuity plan. Here, you see, plan your lifetime with our enhanced annuity rates. Annuity can start after minimum deferment period of 1 year. Isme, I think you may not understand this. Either here, what they are telling is, you are going to invest a fixed amount. This is more suitable for very rich people. And after giving a gap of 1 year, thereafter you can get the payment, annuity payment from LIC. Yeah. So this is what it is. Next point is, enjoy LIC services. Say WhatsApp. What is WhatsApp number of LIC, and what are the things they are satisfying in WhatsApp, through WhatsApp, That point can be asked. Next question. Ab bada socho. Become an LIC agent. What is the responsibility of an LIC agent? Who is fit to become an LIC agent? What examination he has to write? Why is he working for LIC? What is the commission, etc. Next one, LIC's new pension rules. What is that? Pension plus. What is this scheme? Then plan your own pension with LIC's new pension plans. If you are between 25 to 75 years, I am eligible. Oh, Baba. Flexible premium payment, guaranteed additions, deferred annuity, market linked payout, partial withdrawal. ये सब का बारे में थोड़ा अंडरस्टैंड करना है. So there can be a question on what is LIC new pension plus scheme. Then Dhan Sanchay, what is this scheme? Likewise, what is the scheme on Dhan Sanchay? What are the, for example, whenever a particular scheme is appearing on the screen, whatever minimum point they have given, if you are remembering that, that will be sufficient. Dhan Sanchay, a non-linked, non-participating individual saving life insurance plan. And protect your family with guaranteed income for that purpose. Then another point is update your PAN card for continued hassle-free services. So how to update the PAN card? Isme, if they have given some idea, usko pad lijiye. Next, digital life certificate. Get an Aadhaar-based digital life certificate for individual pension policy holders. This is to be done by people who are having pension from LIC, where they can take a digital life certificate. Follow these 4 easy steps. Download from Play Store, provide Aadhaar card, pension policy details, capture selfie, view image of digital life certificate. Provide information to the facilitator, provide Aadhaar. This is for people who are having pension from LIC. Then what is Bima Jyoti? Is it a good scheme? Ansari? Both Ansaris.
It's an older scheme.
Old scheme, not new one. Okay, but then why they are giving this? LIC's cancer cover, what does it mean? Then
maybe it's best selling.
Which one?
Maybe it's best selling. That's what they are giving.
Yeah. LIC's SIIP, do fayde saying by Suraksha, saving B, Suraksha B. So what is this scheme? LIC's SIIP. Likewise, Nivesh Plus. What is Nivesh Plus scheme? So likewise, whatever is available on the screen, at least those pages, you please go through and understand. Of course, this is regarding corona prevention. This also you must read. Then witness what makes LIC such an integral part of India. Click here to visit microsite. What is microsite? I don't know. I think over. All the points we have covered. So please go through this. So next time when you come for interview, when I ask question on any one of these areas, you must be able to tell me. Apart from that, what else can we see? This question, like say, what is the AAO's role? That day itself, I downloaded from the chat GPT and gave you, and we had a discussion also. So please watch the videos I have already posted so that you can know more ideas about it. Then under LIC's quick tips, what they are giving. Under LIC's quick tips, video link of video products and informative videos on YouTube. Achha, YouTube also we can see. Good. If there are any such schemes, LIC, Nivesh Plus, etc., you please go through that also. Achha. Good. I think it is going to YouTube, and from there if it is going to give us some information, that's nice. It's better we get.
but आज मजा कल सजा नहीं होनी चाहिए.
सीरियसली लाइफ इंश्योरेंस तो जरूरी है.
LIC का न्यू जीवन आनंद देता है डबल फायदा. मैच्योरिटी पे मिले फुल पेमेंट और लाइफ कवर चले जिंदगी भर.
ए हेलो, इंश्योरेंस है क्या?
So likewise, yeah, just you can also watch similar.
Policy term is, sir, in this policy term is 15 to 35 years.
Acha, good,
Jivan
good.
Anand,
Very
plan
good.
number 915.
Excellent. So you seem to be well informed, and I wish Arigaran and others also used. Arigaran, what
Yes,
have
sir.
what have you studied till now? Please answer my question. Why should I
Okay, sir.
select you from RRB to LIC? What more can you do for LIC?
Sir, a bank, they have some pressures. In LIC, they have a little bit reduced that. Then salary and promotion also, it's too late, sir. In RRB, we take promotion at 5 years, sir. Clerical to officer. These are the things I will go to LIC.
Now, what is the degree you have studied, Arigaran?
BTech Mechanical Engineering, sir.
Which year did you study?
2015, sir. Passed out.
2015.
Sir, I worked in a private company for 2 years, sir, in a mechanical engineering. Then
Oh.
I will work. I worked as a teaching faculty in aptitude reasoning in a race institute. After
Oh,
that only I placed.
in race, huh? Oh, very good.
Yes, sir. Race institute.
Very good. That is right. But then your English, you are struggling so much.
Yes, sir. I can. That's why I take too much of time to select banking exam, sir.
Yeah, and in fact, Sana Ansari is also. Sana Ansari can speak better than you in English, but she is preferring Hindi because she is very good in Hindi. That is right. Then Kajal Singh, are you good in English?
No,
Are you good in English?
not that much, sir.
ठीक है, you are good in Hindi, na? You are okay
Yes,
with
sir,
it?
yes, sir.
Then no problem. Then Bharadwaj is good in English. Bharadwaj?
Yes, sir.
Bharadwaj, please tell me, why do you want to join LIC as AAO, and why should LIC select you as AAO?
Okay, sir. Because I completed a Bachelor of Computer Application in my undergraduation, sir. And nowadays, all the fields are going under the technology related, like selling the policy and sending the bonds to email ID and suggesting to pay the premium by through message and mail, sir. So it will help in my knowledge in LICAO category, sir. After that, the key-in process also is done in computer. So I have basically know the basic Microsoft and like that app, sir. So I can easily manage the work, sir.
Okay. Even it was not very attractive, and at the same time, yeah, you please try Sana Ansari. Why should I select you as AAO?
Sir, first of all, can you ask me the first question, then this question?
First, kya kuch? No. For example, why do you want to join LIC? Then why should I select you as LIC AAO? अब हिंदी में पूछ रहा हूँ, आप क्यों LIC आना चाहते हैं और हम क्यों आपको LIC AAO बनना है?
यस सर, मेरे लिए बहुत से रीजन है LIC को चूज करने के लिए. अगर मैं एक एस्पिरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव से देखूं तो LIC का जो एग्जाम का जो सिस्टम है वो बहुत ही फास्ट और ट्रांसपेरेंट है. और अगर मैं एक एम्प्लॉयज पर्सपेक्टिव से देखूं तो LIC जो है वो वन ऑफ लार्जेस्ट इंश्योरेंस कंपनी है और लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में तो ये सबसे लार्जेस्ट है इंडिया की। इसके अलावा सर ये एक DSII है, दैट मीन डोमेस्टिक सिस्टमिकली इम्पोर्टेंट इंश्योरर है। और LIC का सॉरी इंश्योरेंस का जो भी पेनिट्रेशन है इंडिया में सर वो 4.2% के आसपास है। तो इंश्योरेंस ये एक ऐसा सेक्टर है जो कि आने वाले समय में बहुत ही ज्यादा ग्रो करेगा, जिसमें अगर मैं अपना करियर देखती हूँ तो मुझे भी एक अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी खुद को ग्रो करने की और खुद को डेवलप करने की। इसके
Next.
अलावा सर इसके
Sufficient.
अलावा
Sufficient. आपने तो ज्यादा इससे ज्यादा नहीं बोल सकते बिकॉज आपका इंटरव्यू मैक्सिमम 10 to 15 मिनट्स, उसका अंदर में आप लोग आपको अच्छा इंप्रेशन क्रिएट करना है। जो कुछ आप बोलना चाहते हैं इसको कंट्रैक्ट करके आप बोलना है। अभी ये बताओ आपको क्यों हम चूज करना है?
सब मेरी क्वालिटीज मुझे इस जॉब के लिए पूरी तरीके से सुटेबल बनाती हैं। लाइक आई एम अ पैशनेट एंड डिटरमाइंड पर्सन। अगर मैं किसी चीज को डिसाइड करती हूँ करने का तो मैं उस चीज को डेफिनेटली करती हूँ। एंड सर आई एम अ प्रैक्टिकल पर्सन, सो आई ऑलवेज ट्राई टू फाइंड अ सोल्यूशन रादर देन क्राइंग ऑन अ सिचुएशन। एंड आफ्टर दैट सर आई एम वेरी डेडिकेटेड टू माई वर्क सर. So and sir, I'm also good in a listener. I can explain things very simply in a manner, so the people who try to who struggles, I can explain them very in a simple language. These are my qualities that makes me a sir.
Very good, not bad. I think today Harigaran பரத்வாஜ் பாத்தீங்களா எப்படி பேசிட்டு அந்த பொண்ணு?
பார்த்தோம் சார்.
என்ன எந்த கான்ஃபிடென்ட்டா எப்படி பேசுறது, அதையே நீ இங்கிலீஷா மாத்திடணும். அவ இங்கிலீஷ் ஹிந்தியில சொன்னதுக்கு ஒன்றும் புதுசு புதுசா நான் சொல்லலை, சிம்பிள் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தான் நடுவில் இங்கிலீஷ்ல யூஸ் பண்ணா இல்லையா, அதை யூ கேன் யூஸ் இட் அண்ட் தென் டெல் இட். வெரி குட், பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ். We'll meet again. We'll meet again tomorrow. And tomorrow when you come, what should you study and come? Sana Ansari, please guide me what I should ask people to study and come. But
Sir, also I have a doubt. Can you please
tell me.
सर जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन अभी आपने पूछा था उसका जो मैंने ये आंसर बताया, आई डोंट थिंक सो इट इज अ गुड इंग्लिश.
No, actually, it is okay. For example, you have to say, I am a quick learner, I am a creative person, I am a hardworking person, I enjoy shouldering more responsibilities, and I am also a good team player, and I am good in communication. ये सब points तो आप बोल रहे हैं, that's what you are telling. And जो आप बोल रहे हैं इसको आप confidently बोलने से सही हो जाएगा. In all these questions, there is no the correct answer or the wrong answer. When you talk, if you talk with, you are talking with confidence. So that is why I said it is good. Okay, other candidates may feel bad about it, but still I am telling openly because your confidence voice was very good, communication wise. Understand?
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि सर जैसे कि ना इंटरव्यू जो है वो है ना नॉलेज तो चेक करेगा, लेकिन नॉलेज से भी ज्यादा हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस और हमारा जो पर्सपेक्टिव है लाइफ को लेके और खुद के बारे में हम कितना जानते हैं ये चीज चेक होगी. तो सर मुझे लगता है कि अभी है ना बहुत ही जल्द डिक्लेयर भी हो जाएगी डेट. हमारे पास उतना ज्यादा टाइम नहीं है. मैक्सिमम वी हैव 1 week in our hand.
No बाबा 1 week तो बहुत दिन हो गया. हमने सोचा 1 हफ्ता का अंदर में इंटरव्यू हो जाएगा, लेकिन ये तो 10-15 दिन हो गया. लाइक कॉलेज का अभी डिग्री का अभी ये चलता है. अभी सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में तो 1.5 महीना से चलेगा, फेडरल बैंक 1.5 महीना चलता है. कोई बात नहीं, बट देन अभी बोलिए कैसे प्रोसीड करेंगे हम?
यस सर. सर मुझे लगता है कि जनरल क्वेश्चंस लाइक जैसे कि आज हमने किया ऐसे क्वेश्चंस को हमें ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी डोंट नो हाउ टू अप्रोच सच अ क्वेश्चन सर. वी नीड योर गाइडेंस सर.
Okay, then what I suggest, all of you please go through most common interview questions I have given in the
Sir, can I suggest?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, there is a video on your YouTube channel. Why you join LIC? Why you want to join LIC AAO?
Hmm.
Where you have explained very deeply how
Yeah.
what to say and what not to say.
I have already
Uh,
told na. Acha.
yes, sir. You have
Hamara,
uploaded that video
yeah,
in
that video itself we can
2019, I guess.
2019 is first time I started was in 2019. Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
आप लोग उसको देख लीजिए ना. Why don't you go through that? Otherwise, when you come
I
here,
will share that link if anyone want that.
yeah, you share it in our Telegram WhatsApp group.
Yes, please
WhatsApp
share
group.
the.
Sorry, all of you must join the WhatsApp group I have separately started for LICAO. If you don't have the link for that, please message me in either in 8072177482 or 9003037557. You know that number. Message de dijiye. How many people are members in that group now?
சார்
not.
நான் குரூப்ல எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு மெசேஜ் பண்ணியிருந்தேன் சார், அது மாதிரி ஜாயின் பண்ண சொல்லி.
நான் உனக்கு அனுப்பி, அதாவது LICAO, there are two things. One is
ஓகே சார்.
LICAO interview. இதுல எவ்வளவு பேர் மெம்பரா இருக்கீங்க? இப்ப 6 participants only are there. Totally with me 10 or 11 people have remitted money. So there, you please I join this so that you can become a member of this group also. Okay. Group info.
Sir.
1 minute. Group
Okay,
info. Whether I can give the link here itself. Send a copy link. Link copy kar liya. And boys, girls, abhi chat mein deta hu. Please take it jaldi le lijiye. Khatam. No problem. All of you, please copy it. There is no need for you to send WhatsApp message to me also. Copied ho gaya, Arigaran. Then what is the other boy's name? Bharadwaj, Mantu, Sana. Everybody is taken. Sana, have you become a member of this group or not?
Yes, sir, become, sir.
Very good. I have you can you are using the very same word become. I am telling you, you could have told me I have joined.
Yes, sir, I have joined, sir.
Good, very good. So any other question from any other person? Otherwise we'll meet tomorrow same time. But आप लोग अच्छा से पढ़ के आना है. You have to come after reading very well. And you should go through current affair also. Maybe they will ask question, they may not ask also. But let us be prepared for this. First day when LIC AAO interview takes place, then we will know what is the trend they are following. Like in Federal Bank, FCCS, what happened? They are only asking questions about FCCS program, then about the related products like crime, etc. So similarly, here also they can concentrate on asking about what is insurance only, and about yourself, and like that. If they want, they can ask about static GK, then other general knowledge also, current affair also. It depends. Thank you. Thank you so much. If somebody can catch hold of my 2019 videos, please go through whether I have posted any video on questions asked. If I have posted, please go through that. I don't know. Let me also, Sana, why don't you search my LIC AAO playlist. Uska andar mein, whether I know there are 300 videos or so, but most of it, what I have done in those days, I was giving English, everything else into that one. But now there is no time, so I have stopped doing it. Now, please find out, or you find from any other source also, what are the questions they have asked so far in LICAO. To be very frank, my first participant became an AAO. First, I started the work 2019. One boy by name M. Subramanian, he joined. In those days, I was conducting free. And that boy also comes from a very poor family. He lost his father when he was young. He was being brought up by his mother. And during the interview days, his mother was having a lot of sickness and all. In spite of it, he attended and he got selected, and he is now AAO in LIC. After that, there is no contact. He just informed me I am joining, that much only. He is basically from Coimbatore. Where he is now, I don't know. So the point is, the interview was not very tough. Simple questions only they asked. But are you answering them with confidence is what they will select. Thank you so much. Tomorrow we will meet again. I am not discouraging you, but I find, am I helping you correctly? That's what I wanted to check up. Then that summary part of it, if someone of you can take responsibility, give me. I will go through that, and so that I can ask questions relating to insurance. Best wishes. Thank you.
Sir, one question.
Yeah.
Sir, I take some questions about LIC in your past video, sir. That is state-wise questions. After that, என்னென்ன கொஸ்டின்ஸ்லாம் நீங்க முன்னாடி கேட்டிருக்கீங்களா? அது நோட்ஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கு சார். அதை நம்ம டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாமா சார்? என்னோட பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் வியூல எனக்கு next class வரும்போது நான்
you have already collected the questions. Acha?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
From the video.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Very good. Please come prepared. You come and give us the questions, and if
sure,
if it is possible, you type it in a say, do you have a laptop with you?
Yes sir.
Then if you can type it out, you please type it out and post it to me or to our LIC group itself, WhatsApp group. We will use that and then discuss. Correct?
Sure sir, sure.
One day, we cannot discuss so many things in one day. Maximum 10 points we can discuss. So you try to bring out 10-15 questions that you like, and then you put it into that one and bring it here. If we will try to find the answers for them, how better we can answer them. Okay?
Sir, அதாவது கையால எழுதியிருக்கேன் சார். அது வந்து கொஞ்சம் கிளியரா இல்லாதனால தான் சார் நான் அதை டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணலாமான்னு இருக்கேன். நான் அது சப்போஸ் கிளியரா இருந்தனால போட்டோ எடுத்தோட குரூப்ல போறேன்.
இல்ல நான் என்ன சொல்றேன், if you have written it in English, you can take a photo and put it in our group.
Okay sir, sure sir.
If you have written it in English, you take a photo and post it in our group, and we will try to read that with some strain. No problem. We will do that.
Sir. Okay sir, sure.
Best wishes. Others can also do a similar job. In my videos itself, you will be getting a lot of questions. Please prepare, go through that. Thank you. Sana, I'm sorry, Bharat, bye. We'll meet again. Don't worry. All of you are doing very well, but I want you to do still better. Thank you.